Hey, I'm Martin from LEDYi Lighting. Today, I'm excited to share with you some fantastic outdoor lighting ideas for the front of your house. Lighting is a key element in beautifying and making your outdoor space more functional. Let's get started. First, we have pathway lighting. Pathway lighting is a great way to add a beautiful glow to your walkway and make it safe. You can use LED strip lights or LED neon lights on the edges of your pathway. It's a simple way to make a welcoming entrance. Next, we have spotlights. Spotlights are great for highlighting specific features in your front yard, like trees, statues, or architectural details of your house. Place the spotlights at the base of these features to create dramatic effects and make your home stand out. Another great idea is wall lighting. Wall-mounted lights can add depth and texture to your home's exterior. Use LED wall washers to light up the facade of your house, making it look grand and inviting. If you have a front porch, porch lighting is a must. Hanging lanterns or pendant lights can create a cozy atmosphere. You can also install LED strip lights around the ceiling or railings to add a touch of elegance. If you have a garden or flower beds, garden lighting can help showcase their beauty. Place small LED spotlights or stake lights among your plants to highlight their colors and textures. It's a great way to show off your gardening efforts even at night. Last but not least, security lighting. Motion sensor lights are great for deterring intruders and ensuring safety. Place them near entry points like doors and garages. LED floodlights are also a good option for larger areas. That's it for today's video on outdoor lighting ideas for the front of your house. I hope these tips inspire you to beautify your home's exterior with beautiful and functional lighting. For more lighting ideas and high-quality LED products, visit our website at www.LEDYi Lighting.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.